What about Adobe, guys? Rob, you own the stock. It's our chart of the day today because on the back of the earnings, this stock, like many in the software space, have not done well of late. So maybe this reverses it. The earnings report on pace now for the best day since March of 2020.
Great day. It's up 14%, still down 11% year to date. And I think the company today is starting to dispel the bear case that they're not monetizing AI and that they will be disrupted by a lot of these companies. Our view is that they would not be disrupted. They have an incredibly loyal user base, diversified platform that is used widely by businesses. Name somebody who doesn't use Adobe in their businesses, and also the creative community. And so we think that with the stock down 11% year to date and growth recalibrating north, we could see, some performance from this prospectively.
Yeah, so does JP Morgan. Upgraded to overweight. Smoother sailing ahead is how they characterize their view on that stock after a tough stretch. It does bring to mind, software stocks have not done well. Is it time to buy them? Bottom fishing. Have the stocks hit bottom? That's what Brad Gerstner told us the other day out in San Francisco. He thinks they might have bottomed. Listen.
I think we're probably getting close to the bottom in software. We expect it to inflect higher in terms of growth rates as we get toward the end of this year and into the beginning of next year. Remember, we're trading 20% below the 10-year average multiple for software, if you look as a multiple of either free cash flow or revenue. And so I think this is a good time to go hunting in software.
What do you guys think, Jim? You got Oracle, which, by the way, is up 9% week to date. That's the highest level of the year as of yesterday.
Oracle's been fabulous. I agree. I totally agree with Brad. And look, Adobe just came out last night. Rob just hit it on the head. This is one of the companies that is monetizing AI. I brought into question earlier when we were discussing Apple how much of Apple's AI initiatives will be monetized, but it's clear in Adobe. And, other stocks like Salesforce, which I sold a couple of years ago, I think Brad's exactly right. And stay tuned, Scott. I mean, Adobe looks pretty tasty here.
Bryn, what about a name like Palantir? Yeah. Obviously, it's it has AI. It's done pretty well. I wouldn't put it in anywhere near some of the blow-ups that we've seen, like Salesforce and Service and Mongo and some of the others. But what about your Palantir here?
Yeah, I think that Palantir is like the ultimate AI company, right? Before AI was cool, right? And so I think where the chart looks great, they consistently have GAAP earnings that are positive. I think that this is a name that people are just starting to understand how much they're growing from the corporate side. I think this company was hard to value previously because they relied on lumpy government contracts. But with the huge growth on the corporate side, this company is building a massive moat. And so, I think just look at the chart. It looks like it's heading back up to, 25, 26, 27. And if the earnings continue to be positive quarter after quarter, I think you'll see a 3 handle on this stock. And so I think it's a great software, enterprise, and AI play all in one.
Can you more broadly, Rob, play software now? Do you agree with the Gerstner call that we're in probably getting close to the bottom?
I do. Broadly, the sector's cheap. Let's talk about, what's driving tech, and it's been the semis. And, there's been some left behind. I can tell you the names we own, sadly, in Cadence Design and Microsoft are not particularly cheap. They've actually held up well, but there are opportunities within software, no question.
Yeah.